has began on the ahliyahmichelle channel. I mean, why wait till March? You feel what I'm saying? I just want to do color right now. I'm ready for color. I'm ready to do colorful looks and nothing but colorful looks. But you know, I gotta throw in a few neutral looks here and there. But I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for color. Just colors make me happy, and I just can't wait to just throw up more color on my channel, if you feel what I'm saying. I mean, I got a lot going on right now, you know, but I love doing too much, okay? I do the most, and I do it well, okay? Get into this eye look, honey. I mean... Hey fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be doing two looks with two different palettes in one tutorial. So I received both of the Beige Studio Pro palettes in the mail, the Artistry palette and the Neutral palette. So I decided to go ahead and do a look with each of the palettes and just decided to put it in one video because it just made sense and it seemed like a challenge. It seemed fun to try and do two looks with two different palettes and make it into one video. And you will see my backdrop switch and my, my outfit switch because I had to match the eye look. I had to match the vibe of the look I was going to create. So without further congé, if you are interested to see me create two looks with each of these palettes in one video, then stay tuned to keep on watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so this is what the sleeve of the Ultimate Artistry palette looks like. It has 42 shades, so that is 7 more than Morphe's palettes, and it's $21.99. So I just swatched a few on my fingers. This wasn't really my favorite palette, to be honest. But I'm just going to go ahead and prime my lids with the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, as I always do. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with that Morphe G34 brush. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take that Too Faced Peach Perfect powder with a Morphe M208 brush and just set my brow bone. I'm just going to set my brow bone because when I blend my shadows up, I just need them to blend smoothly, and this helps with that. First, I'm going to go into this like champagne shade. It was a beautiful shade, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone with the Sigma E30 brush. Their shimmers are really nice in this palette. I just wish they had more mattes. Like, it was a bunch of shimmers in this palette. I wasn't here for it. But I'm just going to go ahead and take that purple, and this is a Morphe E17 brush, and that is going to be my crease color, my only crease color. This purple disappointed me too. Like, it's vibrant when I packed it onto my crease, but then when you blend it out, it just blended out funky. But I mean, it was cute for the look. Next, we're going to take this Kat Von D Whiteout Lock-It Concealer and cut my crease all the way. This is a Morphe lip brush. It came in a brush set, so it doesn't have like a number, but I will try and link the set below. And I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my entire crease, girl. I have a full cut crease tutorial if you want to go ahead and check her out, but I'm just going to speed right through this. And now I'm just going to take this flat fluffy brush. It's from that same brush set, girl, no numbers. And I'm just going to smooth out that lid base. Now I'm going to go into these three shimmery blue shades. I just decided to mix them all together. I'm taking that same precise lip brush and I'm just going to pack that into my entire lid. The shimmers in this palette are just really good. They're really buttery, really smooth. But you know, this palette just needed a little bit more mattes, you feel what I'm saying? And it needed a little bit more color. Next, I'm taking this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. I believe it's the shade Pink Rose, but the exact shade name will be down below. This is a BH Cosmetics liner brush, and I'm going to do some very beautiful graphic liner. It kind of is like reinvented 80s look. So I'm just going to take that and line my crease, and then I'm also going to create a winged liner. Liquid lipstick was all I had, girl. You know, when you ain't got the tools, you gotta improvise. So I just improvised. I didn't have like pink liner, so I was like, hey, I got a pink liquid lipstick, let's do what it do. So I did that in my crease, and now I'm just going to create a winged liner, and I just uploaded a winged liner tutorial. So if you want a more in-depth version of how I do wings, go and check that out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my Kevyn Aucoin concealer with a Morphe E43 brush. I'm just going to clean up my wings so we have a nice crisp edge. This just looks so good. Like, I can't believe I finessed this. Like, this was low-key hard. Like, this liner was stressful, but I did it. And I'm just cleaning it up with some concealer. And now I'm just taking some translucent powder in a Morphe M167 brush. Because this lipstick was creamy and it wasn't going to dry down at all, I just wanted to go ahead and set the liner or liquid lipstick so it just wouldn't transfer onto my lids, girl, and mess it up. Now I'm going to go into these two green shades. One is like a blue green and one is a true green. And this is a Morphe M432 brush. And I'm just going to drag that onto my lower lash line to complete the look. I was trying to match my shirt. My shirt had green, purple, blue in it. Girl, I was trying to match my shirt. I know, the colors are all over the place. Like I said, we are throwing up color this season, okay? Now I'm just going to go into these two shimmery shades and highlight my inner corner with a Morphe R41 brush. And this completes my look with the first palette, the Artistry palette from Beige Cosmetics. Now moving on to look number 2. This is the Neutrals palette. It's $1 more expensive than the Artistry palette. I don't know why, but it reminds me of the Morphe 350 palette, and you get 7 more shades. They're very buttery. I actually like this palette a lot more as far as formula. I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe Mixing Medium and those two Champagne Bronze shades, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone. Same Sigma E30 brush. On the other eye, the shimmers just weren't sticking, so I just decided to go in with the Mixing Medium. 1, so they can stick. 2, so it can pop. Now I'm going to go into this like muted orange shade, and that's going to be my transition color, and this is a Morphe E27. So first I'm just packing it onto my crease just to get that color payoff, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend her in. This palette was really nice. I don't know why the Artistry palette, I don't know, the formulas were just a little off. This one was really good, and it's cheaper than the Morphe 3502 because you get more shades, so I would highly recommend this palette, you guys. Like, it's really good. Now I'm just going to go into that sort of coppery bronzy shade with a Morphe M518. I'm going to work that into my outer corner and blend it into my crease. I do this eyeshadow technique a lot. You saw this in my Valentine's Day makeup glam, but I just really love how it looks. Like, this sort of eyeshadow look is just so beautiful. So I just decided to make a coppery version with this palette. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease once again, but I'm only going to do a half cut crease, same brush, same concealer, and we are just going to create a half cut crease to carve out our lid so we can lay down a very poppin' shimmery shadow shade. And I'm just taking a Morphe M508 brush just to blend the concealer into the outer edge of my shadow so it isn't like, it's more flat when I go to blend shadow over top of it. And now I'm just going into that champagne color and that bronze color that we use on our brow bone, and I'm just placing it all over where I cut out my crease. And these are like my new favorite like champagne shimmery shades. They're so good. I don't know what BH Cosmetics did, girl, but these shimmery shades are where it's at. Next, I'm taking this coppery shimmer shade and I'm just putting it right where my inner corner is and where the half cut crease ends. It just makes a beautiful transition from shimmery to outer corner because, I don't know, shimmers just blend into each other easier. So I wanted to blend a shimmer into the shimmer and then blend a shimmer that's like the outer crease corner into one another so it just looks seamless, if that made any sense, girl. And I'm just taking a Morphe R41 brush and just blending out the outer corners even further. Do you see that blend, girl? Like, oh my gosh. Next, I'm going into this very cool toned dark brown shade. I'm taking a angled liner brush from Morphe. I don't remember the number, but it will be down below. And I'm just lining my lash line. I really like this. This was my first time like lining my lash line with shadow, and it just created a beautiful soft look. Like, it didn't overpower the eye with black liner. It just was seamless. It was cohesive. You know what I'm saying? It was beautiful. And then I'm just going to tightline my upper waterline with the MAC Feline Eye Kohl before I go ahead and put on some lashes and some mascara. And then I'm also going to put that same eye kohl onto my lower waterline. And for the lower lash line, I'm just using the same shadows I used on my crease. My crease. So that's the same copper shade that I use on the outer corner and my crease with a Morphe R41 brush. And then I'm just going to highlight my inner corner with the Sigma E30 brush, of course, with those same shades, girl, that we use on our lid and our brow bone. And this completes look number 2 with the BH Cosmetics Neutrals palette. Stay tuned, keep on watching, because I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. But I just thought I'd hit you with some slow-mos of me serving, honey. I mean, yes, it looks so good. I got it from the Nordstrom rack, by the way. This is a Topshop shirt. It feels so expensive, feels so bougie. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this 2-in-1 tutorial, creating 2 looks using 2 different palettes from BH Cosmetics. No, this isn't sponsored, but they did send me these 2 palettes in the mail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. This was a lot of work, girl. I created 2 looks. I put together 2 outfit kind of things, switch my backdrop, my head wrap, my earrings, my shirt, my makeup. But this was a fun challenge. I hope this video was fun for you guys to watch. If you are new to my channel, hey girl, what's up? My name is Aaliyah. I hope you decided to subscribe by the end of this video. I would love to have you on my channel, a part of my makeup journey. I need somewhere to go. My man need to take me out on a date, okay? It's Friday. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Beauty by Diona D. Thank you so much for having my post notifications on, Diona. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your support, your love, girl. Thank you so much. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, be sure to hashtag notification squad or notification gang. After your comments, subscribe to my channel, of course, and tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads, as I do try to upload about 2 to 3 videos every week. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.